Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So as you see, my hair is all dry and everything, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair off camera. So this is how my hair looking. So I'm gonna be using the Ultimate Travel Kit, and in that travel kit I'm using their Midnight Train Leave-In Conditioner. So I'm just spraying this throughout my hair, and I'm gonna be focusing on my roots and also my ends as well. You don't rinse this out, as this is a leave-in conditioner, and you can also use this as your nighttime routine. After I spray it all throughout my hair, this is how my hair is looking. So now I'm going to be preparing my hair for styling. So I like to part my hair in sections. I go with 4 sections, and I just twist the sections up that I'm not using. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Good Hair Conditioning Styling Cream. This styling cream helps hydrate your hair, nourish, and also protects your hair as well. It also strengthens and thickens your hair, improves your hair elasticity, seals in moisture, and provides shine. So as you see, as soon as I apply it on, it's providing a great amount of curls. I'm loving how my curls are actually popping. That goes to show how hydrating it is. So I really love this product. So the next thing I'm doing here is just getting my hair, setting it up for putting these perm rods in. So after I split it apart, I'm going to be using the Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream to put in my hair as my styler. So I'm just applying it onto my hair strands. I like to detangle my hair as well with my detangling brush, and I make sure that I apply a good amount on there so that way I know that my hair is going to come out well defined and also smooth as well with less frizz. So I'm just wrapping my hair around the rod, and then after that I just smooth my ends and I just roll it up, snap it close to my root, and then I just complete the same step all over again until my hair is completely filled with perm rods. Love yourself. A merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. So this is how my hair looked with all of the rods in. So I did sit under my hooded dryer for approximately 3 hours, and this is how my curls are looking. As you see, they're definitely popping. I am actually in love. I love how soft my hair is feeling as I'm rolling them down. My hair was not wet, so yeah, 3 hours is actually a good time, or a good amount of time for you to sit under the dryer, so that way you can make sure that it is dry. So as you see, I'm just pulling it and it just has a lot of spring to it. So I'm just separating my curls as well, and as I separate, I do wind my hair in the direction that I rolled it in, so that way my curls can still be defined, going in the same direction and not looking all messed up and everything. But yeah, this is how my hair looked with all of them out, and as you see, the curls are still there. So I'm actually about to do an updo. So I'm gonna take my hair in the back, and I'm just gonna be gathering all my hair up into a ponytail. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the bangs there because I want bangs in my hair. So after I have it all up, I'm just making sure that I actually have a neat look here. So I am going to be also using this ponytail hook clip now to actually create my ponytail and to secure my hair. So I used 2 of these. I used one in the back, and I also used one on this end right here just to wrap it around. So then after that, all I do is just take my hair pick, and I just start picking my hair away at the top. I really don't care too much if I do lose some definition, which I really didn't. You just have to know how to pick your hair. So me, I'm just picking at my roots. I am also using bobby pins to help frame my bang and also secure. I'm adding some hair accessories in my head as well, and this is the overall finished look. So I love how I created a Christmas tree, y'all. Yes, out of hair accessories. If you want to recreate this same look, you can also grab Uncle Funky's Daughter products at CVS, and also check out my description box, as I do have a discount code, so you can also purchase online as well. Love y'all. Bye.